Hey traders, I am excited to continue our series on using God's creation method, how he created the heavens and the earth, to help set up our trade plans. And yesterday we talked about the three basic premises. In the beginning, that's time. God created the heavens, that's space, and the earth, that's matter. That's everything that encompasses trading. Today I want to talk about this interesting concept of God created light and dark, and he separated them. He called the light day and the dark night. So he could have chosen anything to delineate time, hours. So he chose days. And at the end of it, specifically, there was evening and morning. So I just want to back up. I think that using God's framework here, regardless of whether you trade the 1 hour chart or the 15-minute chart or bless your heart, the tick chart, I think all of us need to have some system where we are trading the daily chart. The daily chart just allows so much freedom, so much flexibility, and there is something here. God chose days, delineating our time by days for a reason. Now, why? We'll find out eventually. But I think that there's something special about trading the daily chart, especially if you're just getting going, especially if you need some way to get momentum, get a little confidence. Trading the daily chart gives you, like I mentioned, the most flexibility, the most freedom. It also forces you to develop the most patience. And patience is your superpower as a trader, especially as a Christian trader. And okay, well, when do I trade the daily chart? Okay, well, let's look at Genesis. It says there was evening and there was morning. Now, here in the West, we tend to think of the days starting in the morning to evening. But that's not how God set it up. There was evening and there was morning. How do we apply this to our trading? We'll talk specifically later on about why we do this, what this means on the chart perspective. But I trade mine at the end of the day, the evening of the day, right before the trading day is closed. And that allows you to be able to see everything that has happened during the course of the day. But whatever evening means for you, it's not nighttime, right? The day hasn't finished, but it's close to the end of the day. So I just think there is something amazing here about using God's own creation method. I think all of us should be trading the daily chart in some way, form, or fashion, and trade it close to the end of the day. Tomorrow we're going to talk about the great concept of how you then break down that into specific areas. If you need any help with this, just reach out to us at godlytrading.com.